Hello guys, good evening and welcome to Water Process video blog. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell button. We are here right now in our hometown in Pardo. So our video today is all about our place. You can see that
What's
one.
that?
You can see
It's
that
a
one.
bird.
That's a bird. See? That's a big bird over there. So, meron din guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa aming lugar sa tabi ng Rajak, sa tabi ng dagat. Ano nakita? Asa sa gani? So we're here right now guys. What is that sound? Narinig nyo yun guys? That's a howling of Okay, try to listen that one guys. If you can listen that one guys, that's a howling of a dog in our place here in El Pardo. So we did not expect this one. So we're here in the spring. Never mind that howling of the dog. So we're here right now in the spring in El Pardo. So our vlog is all about again wood water. So this is the spring of our place in El Pardo. See? Very clear water guys. So I will show you where this spring came from. So basically guys, this is the laundry area. So I will give you a little bit background of this one. This cube concrete tank beside the shoreline. That's the shoreline over there. This is constructed way back I don't know what's the date, but when we are born here, when I was born here in El Pardo, this already existed. See? You can see that one. So this is where the guys see? This is where the spring came from. This is from the mountain side of Bulacan. So during high tide, the water will goes up here. So this is somewhat like a storage tank. Over that area is the road beside. So basically this is beside the road, guys. So this has two outlets. So during high tide,
Like
the residents here, the residents here will cover this area. It has a pipe there. The residents here will cover that area so that the water will be stored in this tank. And the water will come out from that pipe. Okay, let's try to take a video on the inner portion. See, there is a somewhat like a strainer inside. So this is basically the spring water here in Pardo. So we have, by the way, the TDS in this area is only 200 plus parts per million. So this is a crystal clear water. It's God's gift to the people of El Pardo. So during the day, a lot of villagers here will do the laundry and of course fishing waters. That's the crystal clear of the spring here. So this water came from this area. I will show you. Here's the location. Okay. See, I will show you. There is a small brooks here. See? We can see that one. This spring came from the mountain of El Pardo. So basically this is beside the roadside of El Pardo. So this is the main road. You can see above this dike or seawall. That's the road over there. And below the road is the spring brooks. So this is the original nature spring. If I may say, this is the original nature spring. So I'm doing this vlog to show you where is my place. See, a lot of beautiful pebbles here, rocks, small rocks and pebbles. So you can use this one in if we are using aquarium. See, over there is a big acacia tree. So I will show you another spring. When I was young, I stayed here for a long time, since birth. So this is an acacia tree. You can see. Really? Ay. Ulog ba? So that is the shoreline over there. See if you can see this boat. This boat is the owner of this one is the fisherman, and that is the acacia tree over there. Abi, apo. Go. So we are beside the. We are basically beside the shoreline. Ano basa din? So the dialect here is Cebuano, guys. Binisaya ta, guys, ha. So amo ka tutulan, itur ka na mo. So puno ni siya lumot, guys. So we are the shoreline. See if you can see that one. That's another brooks. So we are touring you guys in our place. So there are a lot of, tawag naman siya, guys, og lumot. How do you say it in English? See, here's another spring. See, here's another spring water. Diyan lang ka. So here's another spring water, guys. So by daytime or during low tide, so today is this time is a little bit high tide, going to high tide. So if you can notice that brook, this spring is very cold. Bugnaw ka ni, guys, mo ni ang tubigan sa El Pardo. See, you can see cars passing by. That's the roadside.
Slide lang.
Diyan ka, diyan ka.
Ay, sus, si Al, slide kayo diyan.
Saan man siya, guys? So there's a structure here, guys. This is a PVC pipe post with a structure of wooden structure, and unfortunately the GI roof is already corroded, if you can see. So it's corroded, guys. So better use the plastic roofing compared to this one. So the one who designed this one had no idea about the corrosion. To avoid corrosion, he used plastic corrugated, not the GI, because this one is already, the water here is already salty. So but this one, you can see that is the blocks over there. See, so sa buntagan ni, guys, during morning a lot of villagers here came to this area to wash clothes and fetch water. See, so that's my place over there during when I was young. See, there's a concrete structure here. That's the brooks over there, spring, and you must be very careful because this one is slippery. So there's a stair over there. Okay, ato ta sa stairs, guys. Wala.
Good.
See, I will show you that this is the road, guys. Let's wait for the vehicles to pass by. See, so that area there, so this is the truck. So this is the wheeling, guys. Okay, so we're on the road right now, guys, and see, that's the car passing by, and we are on this place. I will show you the signage. See, this is Tubigan sa Mulubulo. So the time right now, we get exactly almost 9 o'clock in the evening. So we're walking along the shoreline. So muna siya lagay sa Tubigan sa Mulubulo. So this is the stairs going down to the spring. Tara. Again, guys, we're showing you another vehicle. Volume siya. The dog barking. So there's a motorcycle there. Another vehicle, guys. Another vehicle. So we're walking right now, going to the refilling station. So that's the barangay hall of El Pardo, guys. See, I will show you. Follow on barangay hall of El Pardo. So that's the You're watching with Water Process and Engineering Services, visiting the spring of El Pardo. So we are here right now, guys, near the water refilling station. That's beside on that Chris Beach Resort. That's our refilling station over there, guys. That's Chris Beach Resort, and we are beside Chris Beach Resort. And let's see another vehicle, guys, coming. So what I show you a while ago is the spring is above the road. So that's our water refilling station over there, guys. So this is it. This is our water refilling station we visited. So we visit our water refilling station. So this came from that spring. So that's it. Thanks for watching the video right here on water process and engineering services. All about water. So we are showing you the nature spring, the original nature spring here in El Pardo. So we are water process and engineering services. Thanks for watching the video. So just seeing the original nature spring. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channels, guys, for notification for upcoming video right here on water process.